Senior Board Member Anja Magarao and the Vice Chairperson Board Member Angelica Alarva report the Committee on Health mula sa bayan ng Alaminos, Laguna, Resolution number 123 series of 2026, Municipal Ordinance number 50 series of 2026 mula sa bayan ng Paete, Laguna, Ordinance at Penal 2026-471. Mula naman sa bayan ng Lumban, Laguna, Resolution number 112 series 2026, Municipal Ordinance number 001 series 2026. Hinihingi ko po ito ay patibayin.
May kailangan na mapagtibay ang mga committee report. May pumapangalawa. Pero pangalawa na naman.
Maraming salamat, Madam Presiding Officer. Joint Committee Report submitted by the Committee on Business, Trade and Industry as the lead committee, together with the Committee on Civil Service and Committee on Finance, Budget and Appropriations. This is regarding the proposed ordinance entitled an ordinance establishing the Provincial Local Economic Development and Investment Promotion Office, or the Provincial Economic Development and Investment Promotion Office, PEDIPO, of the Province of Laguna, prescribing its powers and functions, providing for its organizational structure and staffing pattern, and appropriating funds therefore. Ang sangguniang panalalinan po na members ng mga nasabing committee ay nagkaroon po ng joint committee hearing noong August 10, 2026 at 11 in the morning, attended by the members of the committee and the following resource persons: Ms. Fatima Pinky Villaseñor, OIC, Provincial Dedico; Ms. Leia Teresa Javier, Head of the Provincial Human Resource Management Office; Ms. Jocelyn Litan, Head of the Provincial Budget Office; and representatives from the offices of some of the board members in the PHRMO and LEDICO. For the findings and highlights of the deliberation, Madam Presiding Officer, the ordinance aligns with the Local Government Code of 1991 and relevant PILG-PPP Center guidelines. It also addresses organizational overlap by officially decoupling local economic enterprise, trade promotion, product development, and MSME assistance from the Laguna Tourism, Culture, Arts, and Trades Office, allowing the LTCATO to focus exclusively on tourism, culture, and arts, while centralizing enterprise and investment facilitation under the new department. It also clearly delineates the operational role of PEDIPO from the statutory macro-level planning and plan integration functions of the Provincial Planning and Development Coordinator's Office. So, ang magiging core mandate and organizational structure, there will be 4 proposed functional divisions: the Economic Enterprise Division, the Business Development Division, Investment Service Division, Administrative Service Division. After a thorough comprehensive review of the draft ordinance and inputs from the executive departments, the joint committees respectfully submit the following recommendations: 1. To adopt and incorporate the technical amendments, coordinate the timelines on mandatory requirements. Wherefore, premises considered, the committee respectfully comments that the proposed provincial PEDIPO ordinance of the Province of Laguna, by favorably endorsing it to the Sangguniang Panlalawigan for appropriate action, subject to the incorporation of the comments, observations, and recommendations raised during the committee deliberation. With this stated, Madam Presiding Officer, the committee hereby recommends to this august body the adoption and approval of this committee report, with prayer that this be included in today's Paksang Tatalakayin for its second review.
There is a motion to adopt the committee report. Any second? Seconded by the whole body. The proposed ordinance will be calendared under second reading today or next session.
Today, Madam Presiding Officer.